Welcome to my course summary video. My name is Ebony Kimbrough, and I will give a brief overview of EDP 631, an Introduction to Instructional Design and Technology. Let's begin by defining what instructional design really is. Wikipedia defines instructional design as the creation of instructional experiences which makes the acquisition of knowledge and skill more efficient, effective, and appealing. From the cave drawings of 30,000 BC to the iPads and smartboards of the 21st century, humans have been finding new ways of teaching. Just as we have evolved over time, so too is true for instructional design and technology. There are many important factors that an instructional designer must understand before creating instructional tools and materials, some of which includes the stages of human development, learning theories, intelligence, technology integration planning, and instructional design models. There are many theories around human development. These theories provide a set of guiding principles and concepts that describe development. Psychologist Lev Vygotsky's social development theory has become the foundation of much research and theory in cognitive development over the past several decades. He believed that social learning tends to precede development. Under this theory, he introduced the zone of proximal development. This is defined as the distance between the actual developmental level as determined by independent problem solving and the level of potential development as determined through problem solving under adult guidance or in collaboration with more capable peers. Understanding how people learn is critical for instructional designers. There are many theories around how people learn, including behaviorism, cognitivism, and constructivism. Albert Bandura proposed the social cognitive theory of learning. Like Vygotsky, he also believed that human learning occurs in a social environment. According to Bandura, by observing others, people acquire knowledge of rules, skills, strategies, beliefs, and attitudes. This concept is known as modeling. In modeling, learning occurs in a four-step process, which includes attention, retention, motor reproduction, and motivation. Now that I have covered a little about human development and learning theories, I will now discuss intelligence theory. Usually, when someone is referred to as being intelligent, it is often associated with him or her having book smarts. So what is intelligence really? While there are many theories that attempt to answer this question, there is no one true answer. Some define intelligence as being able to do one thing extremely well, while others define it as being able to do multiple things extremely well. Two well-known intelligence theories include Robert Sternberg's triarchic theory of intelligence and Howard Gardner's multiple intelligences theory. Intelligence theories have helped classroom teachers teach to the full range of intellectual abilities they will encounter in the classroom. It is essential for them to be aware of the unique needs of children who have been identified as gifted and those diagnosed with learning disabilities and autism spectrum disorder. Now that we know a little more about human development, learning, and intelligence theories, let's discuss how they relate to technology integration planning. Before integrating technology into the classroom, instructional designers must be aware of the technological pedagogical content knowledge, or TPAC, of the teacher. TPAC is the framework to understand and describe the kinds of knowledge needed by a teacher for effective pedagogical practice in a technology-enhanced learning environment. TPAC consists of 7 different knowledge areas, including the following: content knowledge, pedagogical content knowledge, technology knowledge, technical content knowledge, technological pedagogical knowledge, and technology, pedagogy, and content knowledge. The Technological Integration Planning, or TIP model, is useful for helping teachers assess their understanding of TPAC and the learning styles and levels of the students. Learning theory-based integration models are commonly used in classroom instruction, and they include directed, integrated, and constructivist. There are many components that should be considered when integrating technology into the classroom, including subject, material design and decision, student profile, pedagogical principles, policies and administration, finance, technology support, and evaluation. Together, TIP and TPAC are the theory and practice tools that make technology integration purposeful, effective, and meaningful for both teachers and students. Now that I have covered technology integration planning, let us now take a look at instructional systems design. Instructional systems design is the practice of creating instructional experiences which make the acquisition of knowledge and skill more efficient, effective, and appealing. There are a number of instructional systems design models that aid in the creation of effective classroom instruction and training materials. Perhaps the most common model used is the ADDIE model. This acronym stands for the 5 phases contained in the model, which includes analysis, design, development, implementation, and evaluation. These processes represent a dynamic and flexible guideline for building effective training and performance support tools. Most of the current instructional design models are variations of the ADDIE model, including the KIT model and the Instructional Design for Online Learning model. Other well-known instructional systems design models include Bloom's Taxonomy of Learning, the Dick and Carey model, and Dell's Cone of Experience. Thank you for viewing my video. I have highlighted only a small fragment of what we have covered in the course. There are many more important topics that instructional designers should know and understand. I hope this video betters your understanding and encourages you to explore more instructional design and technology topics.